Alright, you got it, Leigh. Clean first. Yeah. Set your back, let's go. Aggressive, come on. Yeah. Alright, you got this, Leigh. Patient to the finish. Be aggressive, come on.
Lexi, sit. Shake. Speak. Girl, roll over. Come on, roll over. Oh, good girl, do it again. Roll over. Okay.
Ode to Noregon by Crawford. Panic, stress, and fear they consume, eating away at the diesel tech who stands there with a look of doom. However will I get this truck back on the road, he ponders. Then in a peculiar fellow wanders. Black case in hand, the stranger warmly greets the tech with a smile. Hi, I'm with Noregon Systems, and I'd love to show you how to keep those trucks going the extra mile. The tech skeptically thinks, is this too good to be true? Then he replies, that sounds great. I can spare a few. The black case swings open with no pause, all the equipment in it to help the tech in his cause. The Noregon rep with laptop and DLA and 9-pin in hand plugs into the down truck and begins. He goes through what the system can do, speaking to the tech, touching on how fault guidance and next step repair can help you. The tech stares on in awe as the rep shows how the bidirectionals can help him in his current stall. At the end of the demo, the tech is at a loss. Man, this tool is the boss. Great, replies the rep, sounds like you're ready to go. Hells yes, says the tech, I need this J-Pro.
So what are you doing today?
Oh, I'm making some more masks to fight the COVID virus. It keeps you from spreading it to other people.
So how long have you been sewing?
Oh, about 10 minutes today.
When did you learn to sew?
I was about 12 years old. My grandmother taught me to sew.
Have you always been sewing masks?
Just since March. Right when Noregon sent people home to work remotely.
What do you like best about making masks?
A chance to use the sewing machine. I need projects and I don't make my daughter's clothes anymore. So this just lets me use my talents.
You make masks for her,
Don't you?
Oh yes,
And that's clothes.
I've made masks for her. I've made them for my sons and my husband, my sister, and some elderly people in the community.